Hello guys, naami sa Kroger's.
Only because it's the most poorly run place I've ever seen.
Kroger's guys. Kay early pa man, so mamanit na lang mi og gulay. Gulay og bleach. Sulod tas Kroger's guys, naras ba na oh. Sayo pa kaayo, gingnan ako siyang sayo pa. So mamalit na lang mi dire. Why this one is low?
I don't know. I didn't do it.
Oh Lord. What is going on? Yan ako pong tanaw ng akong ATM guys. ATM. So mo ni ang Kroger's guys hinlo. Tanata sa atong ATM diri guys. Mo ni Michigan, mo ni savings guys oh. Akong i-check akong savings unya no. Para kita na to sa Facebook. Kita sa Facebook tanaw na ko kay akong ihatag. Oh. Here's my savings.
Goes in sideways. There you go. You want to look at it or you want it on paper?
Look at it.
Top one.
Okay, I want to get the $30 honey, so that I can.
Okay. Now cancel. New transaction.
Withdraw.
Hit withdraw. There. How many of each? Because the first time you hit choose your bills. So you weren't paying attention. You were trying to go too fast.
Oh, okay.
So what do you? How many dollars do you want?
$30.
So do 20, 5, and 5.
20.
The plus, then 5, 5. There. Now enter.
Continue.
Hold on. Yeah.
Meron na guys. Receipt.
Enjoy card.
Card. Okay honey, let's go. Ano guys?
Coming?
Yep. Manata guys. Manata withdraw. Nag-withdraw ta og atong kita sa Facebook $30 no. sa mga star ni. So ato na yung ihatag sa atong mga gipangtabangan. $30 is 1.5. So nanatay ihatag sa atong gitabangan. Withdraw na. O ana lang. O di ba? Dili na siya gamay ha. Dako na ng tabang sa Pilipinas. Muna.